Okay, question 8. We are asked to, which of these samples of gas contains the largest number of molecules? And here it tells us the gas constant. And we're given the volume, the pressure and the temperature. So we are using PV equals nRT. And here what we have is we want to know the number of moles. So we need to rearrange it like so. And then we have to do this for all 4 of them. So this will involve a bit of rubbing answers out for me as I go. I'm going to try and do it as small as I can though to try and fit it all on the board. So wish me luck. So for A, we are given the pressure and it's in Pascal, so we don't need to do any changes for that. And we are timesing that by the volume, which is in meters cubed, so we don't need to do any changes for that either. And then divided by our R value, or our gas constant of 8.31, and times by the temperature, which is in Kelvin already of 300. And that gives us an answer of 0.20056. For B, we are given the pressure again in the correct units, times by the volume, which is also in the correct units, divided by our R value, and our temperature, which is also in the correct unit. And that gives us an answer of 0.24067. C, we have got the pressure, that's in the correct units. Oh, sorry, 4, there we go. Times by the volume, that's in decimeters cubed, so we need to do that number and divide it by 1,000. So I'm just going to write that in like so, but we need to divide that by 1,000 to get it into meters cubed. Then we've got our R value and our temperature, which is in the correct unit. And when we do that, we get an answer of 0.6166. And probably going to tempt fate here. In fact, no, I'm going to rub out A, because A is significantly smaller than all my others. So here, I'm going to look at D. D, we've got our pressure in Pascal, so don't need to do anything for that one. Times by my volume, this is in decimeters cubed, so I need to convert it by dividing by 1,000. Divide the whole thing by my R and my temperature, and that gives me an answer of this one, or B, is the biggest, so that is our correct answer.